Selamat datang ke podcast pertama kami, Sacrum Unplugged, The Power of Giving. Why do we volunteer?
Am I doing enough with my life? Am I serving the people around me enough? So like, to volunteering ni, saya rasa dia membawa bahagia kepada diri sendiri. Bukanlah kita contribute like a big thing to uni ke apa, tapi at least I make one person punya life better. They feel better. Saya tolong diorang cuci rumah ke, saya tolong mengajar ke apa. It makes them happy, and their happiness ialah kebahagiaan saya.
Nura sendiri pun bersetujulah dengan statement tu sebenarnya. The more we give, the more we can actually feel happy with it.
Kita ada persepsi yang kalau kita bagi something, kita must get something back in return, and I don't think you should have that perception, especially in volunteering. Kalau kita dah tolong, kita let go je. It goes back to like sincerity, niat masing-masing. Saya tak question, masing-masing ada niat kenapa nak berkecimpung dalam dunia sukarelawan ni. Tapi I think you have to like cleanse your heart and just like, kenapa you ada kat sini adalah untuk serve your community. Kalau kita dapat anything good in return, alhamdulillah, rezeki kan.